Hello everyone. Today we'll be speaking about how to calculate heart rate in ECG. So basically, see the usual paper speed of ECG. So whenever you take a ECG, the normal speed which is set it as is 25 millimeters per second, and normally we take it for around 10 seconds. ECG is taken for around 10 seconds. So if we calculate according to that, so what will come is 1 millimeters is equal to 0.04 second or 40 milliseconds. That is one small square, and one big square is actually a 5 mm, which is actually equivalent to 200 milliseconds. So if a different paper speed is used, calculations are made differently. So calculation of heart rate depends upon two things. There are two different methods of calculations. So one for a regular rhythm, and then it is for a irregular rhythm. So for a regular rhythm, like if your QRS interval, every QRS wave is coming in frequently, coming at a regular interval, then the formula is, there are two formulas. One is 300 divided by number of large squares in between each consecutive R wave. So what does that mean? Is that you have to see this is a R wave, this is another R wave. So in between this R wave, however, how many number of large square is there, that you have to calculate. Like actually this comes as 1, this is 2, this is again 3, and there is another one, this is actually 4. There are 4 large squares between this. So 300 divided by 4 you have to do to calculate a heart rate in this. So again, if the heart rate is very fast, the QRS interval is coming very more frequently. If QRS waves are coming more frequently, then what you do is 1500 by number of small squares. So what we mean to see, one large square we told is contains about 5 small squares. So that's why 300 into 5 also 1500 by number of small squares between two R waves. So again, what you do is you have to calculate individually how many small squares is there in between. Because you can see, if you calculate, like there are 4 large squares and there are around 20 to 22 small squares is there. So 1500 by 22 will give you a heart rate for that. In case, so this will apply only for a regular rhythm. Like if your QRS waves are coming in frequent interval, then only it is valid. If your QRS is irregular, or if you have an irregular rhythm, then how will you calculate is that you have to see his number of. So what you do is, this is what is called as a rhythm strip. Last one at the bottom is the rhythm strip. So this rhythm strip is actually, as I told you, the ECG is taken for around 10 seconds. So from here to here, it is 10 seconds, and each QRS denotes one heartbeat. So every heartbeat has a one QRS wave. So what you have to do is, so in 10 seconds, how many number of QRS waves is there, you have to calculate. So number of QRS waves in this 10 seconds will be equivalent to number of heartbeat in that particular 10 seconds. So for example, now we'll calculate it as, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that means in 10 seconds there is 12 heartbeat. So for per 1 minute, if you have to calculate, it is 60 seconds. So if 10 seconds is equal to 12 heartbeats, 60 seconds means you have to multiply the number of QRS waves into 6. Okay, so number of complexes on the rhythm strip into 6 will give you that. So if it is coming as 12, the heart rate will be 72. Okay, in this example, it is a regular rhythm though. So now I can see, if we have to compare with the other one, see, heart rate is equal to 300 by number of large squares we square. Number of large squares is actually equal to 4 large squares. So 300 by 4 is 75, approximately that. And if you calculate by the rhythm strip method also, there are 12 QRS waves in this 10 seconds. So 12 into 6 is again 72. So it's approximately the same. So you can see the rate in irregular rhythm, again the number of QRS complexes in rhythm strip multiplied by 6. There are 23 rhythm strips into 6, which gives to 138 beats per minute. So hope you understand what this ECG and how to calculate it. If you have any other queries, you can comment me on my comment box, and we'll get back to you soon. Thank you.